So here's how to log out of Google account from other devices. First off, we will go to the Gmail app on the phone. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Manage your Google account. Swipe left and go to the Security section. Now, you need to scroll down and find the Manage All Devices option. Tap on it, and once you're here, select the device you want to log out from. Enter your account password and tap on Next. After that, tap on Sign Out as shown. You have now successfully signed out from this device. This way, if you're logged into this account from multiple devices, you can log out from different devices or all the devices at once. And that's it. You can now easily log out of Google account from other devices.